this can do so much for you if you actually put in the time. The instructors are very good. You have a lively community. It's very active. My name is Rachid. I come from Cuba, and now I'm living in Miami, Florida. I work as a 3D artist lead. I started studying around 2016 3D when I started with animation first, and then when I had my first class trying to lip sync, that was the day that I decided I'm not gonna do animation. I am going to do 3D modeling. That's when I found ZBrush. I was like, this is my field. I took the likeness course. Before that, I was trying to work on a new character by myself, but I just wasn't getting there. The character looked very CG. It didn't feel right. I just took that challenge, took that leap, and that's where I got it today. Now I'm starting using a lot more what people would call shortcuts or tricks. You have a lively community. It's very active. The instructors are very good. You guys curate a very good environment to learn. Just one video itself, if you're able to break it down, it would teach you so much. And then once you think you're ready for the next one, go for the next one. Also take into consideration the times that you have to meet with your mentor and stuff like that, and be able to have start scheduling yourself into that, because this can do so much for you if you actually put in the time. I remember, I believe the first class was Marlon breaking down the skull, and then each of the modules were different parts of the face and how he was sculpting. And I liked the approach of just starting from the sphere. At first, I was just working with base meshes. So that's when I started going with it. I was like, okay, I think I like this way, because if I'm going to grow, if I'm going to get better as an artist, I would like to have feedback quickly to know where I'm lacking. And the sphere method definitely taught me a lot more into it. And then with the weekly meetings with Josh, that also helped me a lot. My goal in short is just basically just to get better every day, I guess.